Exploring the childhood of Albert Einstein, a journey through time and space. Born in Ulm, Germany on the 14th of March, 1879, Albert Einstein's early years were largely shaped by his surroundings. His childhood spanned across 3 different countries, Germany, Italy, and Switzerland, each supplying unique influences to his growing intellect. At age 12, Einstein already exhibited a profound understanding of the universe by teaching himself geometry, constructing a world beyond traditional classrooms. He found the rigid structure of school unfulfilling, as it largely emphasized rote memorization and recitation, far from his curious and inquisitive nature. Instead of attending classes, Einstein often skipped to pursue his own studies. These self-led explorations forged his unique perspective, feeding his revolutionary theories. The cities where Einstein grew up became the fertile grounds that nurtured a genius, cultivating his mind to reshape our understanding of the universe. Through the lens of Einstein's childhood, we see how environment nurtures intellect, inspiring us to foster curiosity and independent thinking in learning environments.